What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and again we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando because the park has invited us out for a Scream and Sweat media event. What that entails, a lot of Halloween spooky stuff. There's a lot to see and do. Let's go! Alright, media check-in over here. We can see an A-frame. Showing off the sign right there. And here we go, about to go through security and get in the park. Alright, so we are checked in, got our wristband, and heading over to Nautilus Theater. Sky Tower, and it is in operation today, but that is not our focus. It's all about the spooky stuff. Mako! Currently showing a 5-minute wait. We have arrived at the Scream and Sweat. How you doing? Alright, so we have some photo opportunity spots, and we can see the knives and the casket. Love it. Some drink options over here, and food options just over here.
How you doing?
Good, you?
Alright. Where all your gloves are? Drinks are over there at the bar.
Another photo opportunity spot over here. The big old jukebox. And just off to the side, we have merchandise for this year. Alright, let's see what they got. Chicken Eggo. Look at those waffles right there. Pizza rolls. And then we can see cricket, tres leches over here. Tripletta over there. Lots of different awesome ones. Intestine cinnamon roll. That looks actually kind of gross, but delicious at the same time. S'mores Pop-Tart. And then we have veggie dumplings over here. Strawberry Pop-Tart ice cream. So we have lots of merchandise all over here. T-shirts, brains. We have a little bat plush over here. Of course, thermoses, mugs. I Know What You Did Last Summer hat over here with T-shirt. Got little shoulder buddies, thermoses, pens, and more.
Yo, what's up, Bob? Yo, did you see that message? That's like a dumping AI shit. Because it's like IP for this place, which they don't have ever. Like a little, it says like admin codes. Oh yeah, he did.
All right, drink stand, and we have two different options. We have Saturday morning cartoons, non-alcoholic right there, and we can see that. And then we have Maggot Mule. Red carpet with photo opportunity spot. And we're lining up to head inside the theater. And here we go.
I get the hand-me-down and he got it. So, what if? For like the local homes, because I have better reactions than him in the houses. Yep. That does change some things as far as like, I gotta do all the stuff.
The inventor of Olestra and the agent that convinced Michael Jordan to go into baseball. Give it up for your host, Bob! Hey! How you doing? Wow, what a great intro from that guy. Hey, look at you. How you doing today? Oh, you all look fantastic. Everyone looks so great. All right, hey, in just a few minutes, you guys are going to meet your end. I mean, what I meant to say was, this is the beginning of the rest of your lives. And I'll tell you why. You may have seen it. Late reaction, that's okay, my joke's hit late. You might have seen it at your local gym, but the fitness craze that has been sweeping the nation has one final destination. Your own home! That's right, ladies and gentlemen. No, I'm serious. Now, who's ready to meet their maker? I mean the maker of this incredible product. Come on! Who wants to meet him? All right, ladies and gentlemen, here he is. The master of mayhem. The king of cardio. That's right. The third member of Milli Vanilli. Give it up for Rashad Simmons! Okay, how are you? Looking good. Come on, keep it up and Looking gold, man, and lose. Don't be jealous. You should be jealous. I'm very jealous. I got all this. Whoa! Yeah, thanks, Mom. Such a great introduction. You got a great product. We sure do.
We are so excited to have you all here today. You know, we're going to raise the roof and get your heart rate going too, don't you think?
Yes, we are. Yes, we are.
We have a lot of new workouts here in the 90s.
Yes, we do.
And we have filmed them on the brand new, the hottest, state-of-the-art technology, VHS.
Say, Rashad, what does this VHS stand for?
I have no idea.
Okay. All right, move on.
But what I do know is that we got some wrist techniques for you. We got some chainsaw chest flies. And we also got some pulse pumping push-ups, baby. You like that?
Yeah, I love
You like
it.
that?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
This is too much for me. Yeah, tone it down. Now keep it going. Okay. Wow, that was great.
I should have put deodorant on for this. Slow man, Sean.
No, it's good.
I just
It's very
talked to
musky.
myself in the first person.
Lots of musk.
Hello, Sean. Good to see you, buddy. Cut print, moving on. Well, we are just a few minutes away. I think we should get them ready for the scream and sweat, don't you think?
The scream is what?
Yeah. Let's get this audience warmed up, don't you think? Are you a little wet from the rain?
Hey, you know, Rashad, I keep hearing this term, live studio audience. But what does a not live studio audience look like?
Right, frankly, I have no idea.
Oh, how about that? Oh, ladies and gentlemen, why don't we welcome our exercise volunteers to the cutting room floor?
I think we should. Who we got on the bracket?
First up, we have a resident of the small town that has been locked up in the 90s, the night before Y2K. Give it up for this clueless girl from Nebraska. Super clueless. Now, let's welcome a cyborg vampire from the futuristic city that buys his body parts from the black market. You can surely find anything on the dark net. It's a bush, it's a tree, it's a person? We're not sure what it was, but it called out a wood rock hollow. Next, a life-size living doll from a hoarder's collection. Everything must stay in this suburban house that just happens to be on the market. Our next volunteer is no stranger to getting their blood pumping. Straight out of the graveyard, it's a raving zombie. Now, one of our leaders from the Dunes District. When the world ends, which faction are you going to choose? Better choose if you want to survive. Oh, crawling right out of the sewer. Covered in slugs, but not sluggish when it comes to his fitness. It's Sanitation Steve. Gotta stay slim to get into those crawl spaces. Our next volunteer is from Extermination Order. He wants to eliminate all your pests at your home and help you keep your fitness goals. Straight out of the tragic trailer park, this resident knows the only thing more important than having the best house on wheels is a set of washboard abs. Last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, it's raining muscled up maniacal masked men. You'll be dying to read just one more chapter of this romance novel. Give it up for our exercise volunteers!
Hello, Jack. How are you? What shall I say? Good night, night. And sweat.
Show us what you got, Jackie. Oh, okay, we're getting ready. We got one left. Do we smile? Is that part of it?
Oh, maybe look at the Lincoln seat.
I think it's Oh, here comes the victim right now. Let's see what you got. Wait a minute. Oh, that's not a All right, put together, or well, hand. For the fisherman!
Hello, Mr. Fisherman. How are you? Don't you think, audience? He has. Give it to that flasher.
I think someone's at the door. Hey, there it is. Completely oblivious. Oh! Who ordered the pizza with extra blood? That? Woo! Yeah.
Oh, it's heaven. It is our celebrity influencer. He is the Mary Kate to my Ashley, the Jane to my father. Shut the hell up, Rashad.
Potty mouth.
No, he did not.
Oh, he just
mustard.
Keep these two alive for the moment. Thank you.
Yoo-hoo!
Who is that? You got some other chick coming up in here?
Killer.
Fancy finding you here.
Pestilence.
And who are these spandex-clad bimbos? These two look kinda like me, Havoc. I'm flattered and all, but let's be honest. You couldn't even handle one real woman, let alone multiple.
Oh, bimbo down! Bimbo down! Oh no, no, I don't like that. I don't like that. Mama said no.
You. Well, aside from the whole being under my command for eternity part. But other than that,
That was hot.
Hey, give it up for Havoc!
And now, our newest chica. Give up the pestilence on the
Pestilence, everybody! I personally find her very scary. That black magic stuff is not. Hey, hey.
I have a great idea.
I've loved all of your ideas so far, so lay it on me.
Of course, it would not be a complete trip to SeaWorld without seeing my pink chickens. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Coaster Bun. It's been so long. Alrighty, so we just saw a little show from Howl-O-Scream here at SeaWorld Orlando, showing off some of their main characters and one of their new characters that they have, of course. Exciting stuff. I'm really excited for this year. I think they're going to have some great houses now that they have the IP. Of course, we have I Know What You Did Last Summer with the Fisherman. That's awesome stuff. We're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and the website formerly known as Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.